pleased to meet you. Good afternoon.
Good
Could
afternoon.
you briefly introduce yourself?
Okay, so my name is Mohammed Falata. I'm a project engineer in Saudi Aramco under Safaniya Mnifa Increment program. It's one of the programs to increase the oil production of the company.
Yeah? And what brings you to this specific event?
Actually, I believe this is a really great opportunity. Since we have already completed our FEED stage, we are going into the EPC soon. So it's a really great opportunity to meet a lot of companies who are working in this business.
Super.
And to make connections as well.
Yeah? And have you made some new connections already?
Actually, I've met some new people, yeah.
Good.
Oh, I forgot to mention, it's also a great opportunity to explore the city.
Great. Hey, and do you have any general feedback on the event? The facilities, the program, speakers?
I believe until now everything has been perfect.
Great. That's
So,
happy to
no feedback.
hear. Thank you for